love me some breaded mushrooms. This is going to be good. I will go through real quick on what I have going on here. I have a half a cup of flour in which I seasoned it with some salt and pepper. 2 beaten eggs, so probably could have gotten away with just 1 egg. And 1 cup of breadcrumbs in which I'm going to season with some paprika. We'll just go ahead and do that now. It's probably about a half a teaspoon I added. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Anything you do not like, you do not need to add. That was probably another half a teaspoon. And I'm going to add some grated Parmesan cheese. I do not have fresh cheese, so I'm just going to use this good old stuff. That's probably a couple tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick mix. And I have my cleaned button mushrooms. I'm going to go through them real quick, and the ones that have long stems, I'm going to trim them up. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to the breadcrumbs also, since these are just plain unseasoned breadcrumbs. I'm so excited. I love breaded mushrooms. Let's go ahead and get these made up. I'm going to go ahead and take one of the mushrooms and coat it lightly with flour. Dip it into the egg. Get off the excess. And into the breadcrumbs. Go ahead and put this on my plate. Grab another mushroom into the flour, egg, and into the breadcrumbs. Okay, you all, I'll go ahead and finish these up real quick and I'll be back. Okay, I have these all breaded up. Now the question is, should I spritz these with olive oil or not? And I'm not going to. I'm going to see how it goes. Later on in the cooking time, if I feel it needs it, then I will do it. But for now, no. So let's go ahead and get these into the air fryer basket. Okay, I am going to start off 400 degrees, and I'm so sorry about this loud beeping. You need a volume control on this thing. Okay, 400, and I'm going to start it off for 7 minutes. Then we will check it, and if I feel we need to spritz it with a little bit of olive oil, we will do that then. Okay, our 7 minutes is up. Let me tell you this much, it smells wonderful. Okay, these are getting a nice golden brown color, and I think I will end up spraying these a little bit with olive oil, just as lightly as I can. But I think I am going to turn these over, and I think I'll spritz the bottom side a little bit. Okay, I think I'm just going to go 5 more minutes. I might check in between. It'll probably be okay. So I'm going to go 400 for 5 more minutes. And I'm thinking then they should be done. Okay, our 5 minutes is up. I didn't even peek at him. Oh yeah. You know, I always think of a subscriber and good friend of mine, Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs, because she doesn't like cooked vegetables, and I've been doing a lot of that lately. Sorry, Sylvia. But I'm very anxious right now to try this out. This is awesome. This turned out great. These turned out really good. And let me just say, if I do not like what I make, I do not post the video, because that reflects on me. If you go and make the recipe and it tastes like, sorry, crap, you're going to come back to me and probably have a few words to say. So you're just going to have to trust me. These turned out awesome. So we did 400 degrees for 7 minutes. Then I ended up spritzing it with a little bit of olive oil. And then I turned them over, spritzed the bottom side a little bit with olive oil, and we went 5 more minutes. Okay everyone, this is about the end of this video. If you have not yet subscribed, if you're a lurker, or if this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. I upload videos weekly. I at least try to get 2 up a week. If you also hit that little bell down there, you will be notified when I post a new video. Everyone, if you love bread and mushrooms, please give this a try. They are wonderful. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon.